like to start off on a clean slate. So I have removed all decor pillows and the curtains off camera, all the decor items and the coffee table. So we can actually see the before and after. So the black canvases that you see behind me, I'm working on a DIY project, so don't mind those. So we're gonna get started. In today's video, I will be using Pine-Sol spray away glass cleaner and a bucket of warm water to wipe down the baseboards, the blinds, and the window sills. Has been wiped down, the windows have been cleaned, and the window sills. So now it's time to get into cleaning the baseboards. So I'll be going around the room cleaning the baseboards. Hope this doesn't bore you, but they need to be cleaned. They might not be too dirty because I did deep clean this space after Christmas. So let's get into it. At this point, sis is tired. So if you have made it this far in the video, please leave me a thumbs up or drop a heart in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. So next, I'm going to dust the ceiling fan, dust around the crown molding for any cobwebs, and give this room a really good vacuuming. Hope you enjoy. original place. The curtains have gone up. They have been steamed. Now I'm going to vacuum out the cushion of the sofa, and you already know what time it is. It's about time to decorate. Yes, girl, yes. So, yes, just keep on watching. Don't leave me. Now that the hard part is out the way, let's decorate. I will be using these 2 Chanel books on the coffee table. Amazon find. The vase is a Target find. It's from the Threshold collection. I paid $20 for it. Now the stems are from Hobby Lobby. Super cute. Love this. Next, I'll be going in with this marble tray. This will hold my candle. This smells really good, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon in the next one.